who be this?
Na club they call you.
Wait oh. Oga Club, Liverpool coach?
No, Lobby Stars coach.
What?
Do you ever hear another club wey be coach?
No nah, I just say make I confirm. Why you come dey call me nah? I hope say you know dey plan buy me for this January transfer window.
Buy you? For this kind of economy?
I just say make I ask nah.
Even if we be Al Nasiru, na only players wey go bring us quick return on investment na here I dey find now. Na only money wey I thief for pick for road na here I fit use buy you.
Now those kind of money dey always useless nah. So e good to spend them on top useless things.
Bam! Exactly.
But wait oh, wetin you come mean? Say I dey useless?
No, e just mean say we no dey thief money or pick 100 million euros for ground for Liverpool.
Okay oh.
Why I dey call you na based on something wey I hear say you do.
Wetin be that?
E dey go round media and everywhere. Say since when you yab Almiron, the guy don dey bang goals enter post like say tomorrow no dey.
Wetin come happen? Na just small yab I yab am.
Na that small yab I wan make you help me yab Nunez. The guy just dey miss everything for him life. I sure say if to say him be woman, him for dey miss him period steady. In fact, I no even wan make you yab am. I wan make you curse the guy like this because him own don too much.
So that him go start dey score better goals against us, abi?
No worry, I go always dey bench am if we wan play una.
The problem now na say I don repent. I be born again and dem say make we no dey use our tongue to curse or yab anybody.
But the devil fit use you from time to time na.
The devil no fit use me. I no dey mind you.
Jesus!
Na wow! So common small yab you no fit yab again.
Sorry sir, I no fit.
Okay na, make I try other options.
My people, una don hear say 1xBet and FC Barcelona don launch one new super offer. Dem dey call am House of BARCA.
Idiot! Na House of the Barca, no be House of BARCA.
Say sorry, I go leave this thing for you oh.
Na just small collect I collect you. Na im you dey vex like Vespa. Which one be your own sef?
I just say make I warn you. As I dey talk, House of the Barca go let you win plenty prizes if you bet on top FC Barcelona. If you wan follow for the thing, you gats register for 1xBet with our promo code GNEXT first. Then you go press the take part button wey dey the offer page. When you do that one finish, you go come place accumulator bet for any BARCA match. Collect at least 10 tickets to fit take part for the main prize draws. And between 1 and 9 tickets to fit enter the incentive prize draws for the promo page. No forget to read their terms and conditions for every promo wey you wan enter oh. Thank you.
Momo man, where you dey go? You no go tell them say make them bet with sense, abi? I no blame you when no dey ever bet with sense.
Oga Mourinho and Oga Sarri, una welcome to the new year and my show, sirs.
Kubala, thank you.
Kobala. Happy New Year, Jale.
Make we start with La Liga. Oga Mourinho, as Barcelona don draw with relegation-threatened Espanyol, e don make Real Madrid catch up with them for that their top table. You feel say them go still fit maintain their position?
My brother, e dey inevitable say Madrid go overtake them. But I pity them for that their match against Espanyol, sha. Them go carry that referee wey blow Netherlands vs Argentina for World Cup give them. That referee wey like yellow card pass recharge card.
What?
The guy share card give them like say na Christmas gift.
Oga Sarri, wetin you get to talk about Tottenham fall from top 4? Based on say them been dey contend for the top title for beginning of season.
Omo, as you see me ba, I sabi that my mafia gangster blood da Conte and wetin him fit do. But you see this Tottenham affinity for trophylessness. That thing supersede all powers from the physical and spiritual limbs. Can you imagine coach wey carry Scudetto title with his strikers wey miss load like Lukaku and De Lautaro? Him don come Tottenham now. Tottenham come humble am. I just pity that guy.
Liverpool don fight their way from poor start of the season to within 4 points of the top 4. Oga Mourinho, you feel say them fit finish for top 4 this season?
Why not? Especially if that Nunez start to dey convert chances in front of goal. Because him fit position well. Na just the finishing him get problem with. And the guy na very good finisher when him been dey Benfica oh. But I no know wetin do am as him enter Liverpool. Maybe na the English media hyping enter him head.
Who tell you say that guy no be good finisher again? That guy na excellent finisher. Just the watch. Before the end of the season, him go finish Liverpool pata pata. Nothing go remain.